come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Vincent. I'm Rachel. And welcome to our vlog. We are vlogging for a project in math. And we are gonna teach you how to graph a function. So, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, surprise! Plus 4. But before we proceed of solving it, we need first to make a table. So our table is x and y. We all know that x is first before y. So let's make a table. Let's just make it clearer. Making a table, 0 is always be the first, and in the right side, it must be positive. So 1, 2, and 3. In the left side, it must be negative. 1, negative 2, and negative 3. Now, let's proceed of solving it. Fx is equals to x squared plus 4. Because x squared plus 4 is our given or the equation. Now, let's proceed. X is equals to 3, positive 3. Negative 3 rather. Negative 3 because we will start here. And let's proceed. F equals F. Our x is negative 3 because in the given x equals negative 3 is negative 3. So let's change this into negative 3 equals to negative 3 squared plus 4. Then copy negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9 plus 4. Because negative 3 times negative 3 or negative 3 squared is 9. Next, copy is equals to 9 plus 4 equals 13. So our final answer is 13. Let's put here 13. Next equation. Next is negative 2. Well, we will solve negative 2. X equals negative 2. So Fx equals to x squared plus 4. F negative 2 squared plus 4. Copy F negative 2 equals negative 2 times negative 2 or negative 2 squared is equals to 4 because negative times negative 2 is positive 4 plus 4. And copy 4 plus 4 is 8. So our final answer is negative 2 and positive 8. So it's our positive 8. Next is negative 1. Negative 1. So Fx equals x squared plus 4. Our x is negative 1 equals to negative 1 squared plus 4. Copy. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1 because negative times negative is positive, and or negative 1 squared is positive 1 plus 4. So our final answer F equals to negative 1 is equal 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5. Our final answer is negative 1 and 5. Let's put here 5. So we are done on the negative. Now let's get to the 0. So 0, x equals 0. Our x is 0 equals 0 squared plus 4. Copy. 0 times 0 is obviously 0. 0 plus 4. Then copy. 0 plus 4 is 4. So our final answer is 0, 4. Let's put 4 here. Now, let's get to the positive in the right side. So, x equals 1. Our x is positive 1 equals 1 squared plus 4. F1 equals 1 times 1 or 1 squared is 1 plus 4. Then f1 is equals 1 plus 4 is 5. So our final answer is 1 and 5. 5 here. Next is 2. X equals 2. F2 equals 2 squared plus 4. Copy. Equals 2 times 2 or 2 squared is 4 plus 4 plus f squared. Copy. Tapos 4 plus 4 is 8. Tapos our final answer is 2 and 8. Let's put 8 here. The last is 3. So x equals 3. f3 equals 3 squared plus 4. Copy. Equals 3 squared or 3 times 3 is 9 plus 4. And f3 equals 9 plus 4 is 13. So our final answer is for 3 is 13. Put 13 here. Next is we have to graph it. So we're done solving. Now let's graph it. First, x, negative 3. Let's find negative 3 here. And positive 13 and y. So let's paste it over here. Done. Next, our x is negative 2 and our y is positive 8. So it will be over here. Done. Next, our x is negative 1 and our y is positive 5. So it will over here. Done. Next, our x is 0. Then our y is 4. So it will be hinted here. Next, our x is positive 1 and our y is 5. So it will be over here. Then, done. Then our x is 2 and our y is 8. Positive. So it will be over here. Done. Then our x is positive 3 and our y is positive 13. So it will be over here. Now, we can already shape the parabola shape or U shape. That would be all. Thank you.
So we're done on our first example, so let's proceed to our second example, which is 2x squared plus 3. The first thing that we should do is we should make a table, which is x and y. The 0 will always be in the center and followed with a positive number on the right side, and the negative numbers on the left side. We should keep on solving. We should follow the equation, which is the f of x equals the given, which is 2x squared plus 3. We should substitute the value of x with this value, which is the x equals negative 3. f of negative 3 equals to negative 3 squared plus 3. f of negative 3 equals to negative 3 times negative 3 equals 9, so positive 9 plus 3. f of negative 3 equals 18 plus 3. f of negative 3 equals 18 plus 3 equals 21. So the ordered pair is negative 3 and positive 21. So let's proceed. X equals negative 2. f of negative 2 equals to negative 2 squared plus 3. f of negative 2 equals to negative 2 times negative 2 is 4 plus 3. f of negative 2 equals 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 3. f of negative 2 equals 8 plus 3 equals 11. So the ordered pair is negative 2 and 11. 11. X equals negative 1. f of negative 1 equals 2 negative 1 squared plus 3. f of negative 1 equals 2 negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. So 1 plus 3. f of negative 1 equals 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 3. f of negative 1 equals 2 times 3 equals 5. So the ordered pair is negative 1 and 5. 5. So x equals 0. f of 0 equals 2 0 squared plus 3. f of 0 equals to 0 times 0 is 0 plus 3. f of 0 equals 2 times 0 equals 0 plus 3. f of 0 equals 0 plus 3 equals 3. So the ordered pair is 0 and 3. X is equals to 1. f of 1 equals 2 1 squared plus 3. f of 1 equals 2. 1 times 1 equals 1 plus 3. f of 1 equals 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 3. f of 1 equals 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the ordered pair is 1 and 5. 5. X is equals to 2. f of 2 equals 2 positive 2 squared plus 3. f of 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 3. f of 2 equals 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 3. f of 2 equals 8 plus 3 equals 11. So the ordered pair is 2 and 11. X is equals to 3. f of 3 equals to 3 squared plus 3. f of 3 equals 2. 3 times 3 equals positive 9 plus 3. f of 3 equals 2 times 9 equals 18 plus 3. f of 3 equals 18 plus 3 equals 21. So the ordered pair is 3 and 21. So now let's proceed on graphing. We should plot the ordered pair on the Cartesian plane. So negative 3 and 21. Negative 2 and 11. Negative 1 and 5. 0 and 3. Positive 1 and positive 5. Positive 2 and positive 11. Positive 3 and positive 21. So now we can form the parabola shape or the bell shape. That's all. Thank you.
That's all, guys. Thanks for watching.
Hope you like the video.
Have you learned something? If yes, give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Bye, guys.